how to automate customer retention monitoring in n8n NoCode AI automation workflow. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate customer retention monitoring using n8n, one of the most powerful no-code AI automation platform. You'll learn how to create a workflow that calculates customer retention automatically, sends daily reports, and helps you understand your business performance without writing a single line of code. This is a full AI automation workflow built visually inside n8n. Let's start it, guys. Open n8n, your main tool for workflow automation and no-code AI systems. Create a new workflow. We'll make an automation that runs every day, read your customer data, check who's still active, and send your retention rate fully automated. We start with the cron trigger. This node is part of the AI automation schedule. It controls when your no-code workflows runs automatically. You can set it every day at 10 a.m. for example. Okay. That means your retention analytics updates daily hands-free. Next step, add the Google Sheet node. This is where your n8n automation connects with your business data. As operation, choose the get rows. My sheet includes 3 columns: the customer ID, the sign-up date, the last purchase date. This node makes data automation possible, connecting AI automation to no-code tools like Google Sheets. Now let's check who's still an active customer. Add an if node. This is the decision maker in your AI automation workflow. Configure it like this. At the value 1, put this new day JSON last purchase date. Operation is after, and the value is that value. If the last purchase happened within the last 90 days, the customer is retained. Otherwise, they're inactive. That's how we create the logic visually in n8n with zero code. Now we'll label the results. On the true branch, add a set node called set retain customer. Add the field retain equal to yes, and on the false branch, add another set node called set lost customer. Retain equal with no. This visual step defines your retention logic without coding. That's the beauty of no-code automation in n8n. Next step is to combine both groups, retain and lost. Add a merge node and choose operation combine. This merge both paths into a single data flow, perfect for analytics. Merge nodes are key in workflow automation because they unify multiple logic paths visually without coding. Now let's calculate the actual retention rate, still 100% no code. Add an aggregate retention node, set operation to count, and select the field retain. Then add a condition to count only items where retain equal to yes. Let's open it. This is the retention node. You can create an expression JSON retain yes of JSON total. This gives you customer retention percentage automatically calculated by your AI powered workflow automation. And finally, let's send the daily report automatically. Add an email node. Connect your Gmail or SMTP credential. Then write today customer retention rate, JSON retention rate, JSON total dot fixed, automated by n8n no-code AI workflow. That's it. Every morning you'll get your customer retention analytics by email. These steps complete your no-code AI automation workflow in n8n. Now let's review the workflow. Okay, okay, now it's good. So you have the cron trigger, the Google Sheet, the if node, the send node, the merge, the aggregate, and the send email. This is a complete no-code AI automation tracking customer retention with zero code and full control. And that's how you automate customer retention monitoring using n8n 100% no-code AI automation. If you love workflow automation, AI tools, and no-code business system, hit the subscribe button. I post new automation tutorials every day using n8n and AI automation. Comment below what you want me to automate next. Bye bye and see you on the next video.